Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Protection. In this part of CSS tutorial series, I will show you the way of styling HTML element by using external style sheet, and will show you the way of linking external style sheet to HTML file. So let's get started. Change the title of this document to inserting CSS. Now let us create paragraph element. To create paragraph element, we need to use p tag. Now let us specify some content for this p tag. Now go to file and save. If you don't apply any styling, your browser will display the paragraph in black color and text size of paragraph will be small. So let us use external style sheet and apply some styling for this paragraph element. For styling HTML element by using external style sheet, we need to create CSS file and link it with HTML file. So first let us create CSS file. To create CSS file, go to file, select on new command. Now select again on file. This time click on save command. Save it to desktop. Name this CSS file as inserting.css. Now save the file. As you can see, we have created CSS file successfully. Now let us link this CSS file to HTML file. To link CSS file to HTML file, go to HTML file and here section use link tag. Between double quotation mark of href attribute, specify the name of CSS file. In our case, it is inserting.css. That's it. Now save the file. We have successfully linked inserting.css file to HTML file. So now let's go to inserting.css file and style the paragraph. Styling HTML element and external style sheet is same like styling HTML element and internal style sheet. We just need to select the element and use properties. In our case, we will use p tag, which is used for selecting paragraph. We will use property. In our case, I want to change the color and font size of the paragraph, so I will use color property. Let's use color property and set the value of color property to yellow. Second, we want to change the font size of paragraph, so we will use font size properties, font size, and set the value of font size property to 24 pixel. As you can see, the color of paragraph is changed to yellow and font size is 24 pixel. Let us change the color to green. Save. As you can see, the color of paragraph is changed to green. Okay guys, this was the way of linking CSS file to HTML file. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you have any suggestion or question, please comment below. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.